Oh boy, this is our first whatever product. What would we call it?
It's a shrub.
It's a shrub, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't done a shrub, have we?
No.
It's got a really interesting history in terms of how they made it. We'll get into.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Donovan.
And we've both been sober for many, many years. And, we're trying out a lot of spirits and alternative beers and wines, but we wanted to go back to the original shrub.
Well, it really goes back about 400 years. So it used to be a thing. And it's kind of come back as of about 2011. It started coming back into modern drink mixology.
Yeah, you noticed it more in the grocery stores. You had your kombuchas, you had your shrubs. A lot more recipes were available online. And we discovered this one when we went to a lavender festival a couple weekends ago. And it's made by Lockwood Farms. So we are going to make a little cocktail out of this. But first, why don't we just try it straight? It's going to be strong.
Yeah.
It's pretty strong with the apple cider vinegar, but... Woo! Zingy.
Zingy.
That's some vinegar and a lot of sweetness. Woo!
It's going to go good with this Topo Chico, or what are we doing?
Yeah, so what I did was I experimented with the ritual gin because I thought the gin flavors of the juniper and a little bit of spice might be nice with the pomegranate. So I played around, and as you can see, I have many different things over here, but why don't we try it and see what you think about it.
So shrub is a acidulated beverage. That means it has like an acid in it, right? Like the vinegar. The word shrub also refers to a cocktail or soft drink popular during America's colonial era, made by mixing a vinegared syrup with spirits, water, or carbonated water. The term can also be applied to the base sweetened vinegar-based syrup from which the cocktail is made. That syrup is known as a drinking vinegar. You might think it's weird to drink vinegar, but it actually works out quite nicely. And the drinking vinegar is often infused with fruit juice, herbs, and spices.
So I did 1 ounce of each of the shrub, the ritual gin, Elderflower tonic, and Topo Chico. And then I did 1.5 dash of all the bitters. And I'm just going to give it a little stir. And I'm going to pop your little mint in there because I really enjoyed it with mint last night when I had it. And there's a little bit of mint in the ice cube. Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa.
What do you think?
It's still very intense. It's flavorful. I do get a lot of sweetness in the back.
Yeah, so there is sugar in the Elderflower tonic and in the shrub and a tiny bit in the bitter. But I find that I need that sweetness to balance out the sharp vinegar flavor. Otherwise, I wouldn't drink it. Maybe if I was eating something spicy or that had a lot of flavor, I wouldn't need as much sugar. So you could just do straight tonic water and not add the elderflower because this does have a lot of sugar in the elderflower tonic water. The gin, ritual gin, has no sugar. That's one of the reasons why I love it. It's just straight flavor. So you get a little spice, you got a little bit of juniper, a little bit of citrus. I find it refreshing. I'm just going to water his down.
I'm going to water mine down. It's intense.
I like it strong.
For a day.
Anyway, I do recommend next year in June, if you have the chance, to go out to Vacaville or near Lake Berryessa. There's a bunch of lavender fields and farms out there, and they'll do festivals throughout the month of June. And it's really fun to go and pick your own.
Yeah, it was not only super fun. There's a lot of little farms there, so this is a great way to kind of get introduced to their very unique products. You can't buy this on the website. I think
Did she only sell at farmers markets or something?
Something, I think. Yeah, there was kind of limited access to it because I asked her if she shipped. But it's still like a really nice kind of hidden treasure.
It's a small family farm owned and operated in Vacaville. They sell through farmers markets and CSA and farm to table. So they've got a whole bunch of other products that they have at their farm, but this is a good one. I like the shrub.
Yeah, I really like that you're supporting small farms too. Very cool.
Yeah. So I'll experiment some more with it. I'll experiment more. What else do you think would go with the pomegranate for flavor? Oh, I know that maybe the non-alcoholic wine, like a bubbly wine, but might be really nice with the pomegranate shrub.
Yeah.
That might be a good mix.
Yeah. Orange, maybe?
Orange. Well, we did put a little bit of the orange, all the bitter, but yeah.
So one of the things about a shrub is it can be used as an alternative to bitters. So I wonder, did you try it without the bitters?
I did. I wanted the bitter.
Yeah.
Because this actually has more than just a bitter taste. It has like clove and other really yummy things in there. I mean, it's got dandelion root, the orange, the burdock root, lemon balm. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff in here. And so there's a lot of different flavor that comes from this.
And then, of course,
that plays well with the spirit.
Yeah, and of course the gin has the juniper berries, green lemongrass, capsicum fruit, which can definitely get some of that heat in the back. The green peppercorn, prickly ash, and peppermint leaf.
Well, thank you, Lockwood Farms. That was delicious.
Love it. Definitely got to find a way to get more of it. So